Get started. Yep. Okay, this is the KVAR 1200 Energy Optimizer demonstration tool. Basically what's comprised of, this is a meter center that's on the outside of your house. This is how the electric company determines what your electric bill is going to be, by measuring the kilowatt hours that your house draws. This is the KVAR unit itself. It's wired in parallel to your meter center. What it does is blocks any unwanted power and sends it back to the electric company, so you're not paying for it. This is a 115 volt motor. It's a pretty standard motor. They're in all kinds of appliances in your house, your washer, your dryer, your dishwasher, your air conditioning units, your garage door openers. They're everywhere in your house. It's a pretty standard 115 volt unit. What I'm going to do, I'm going to plug the unit in to a standard 115 volt wall outlet in anybody's house. Right there. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to come over here and I'm going to turn the unit on. What I'm going to do is just turn the motor on itself without the KVAR unit on. So this is going to start spinning. Here we go. Okay, you can see the motor spinning. Now what we're going to do is measure how much power that this motor is drawing. This is an ammeter. It measures the amperage. The amperage is what you're paying for. So we're going to take a reading here. We see that we're right at 5 amps of power. 5 amps is what we're drawing on the motor. We're going to go to the back side and the other side to show you the same thing. It should read the same. Right there at 5 amps of power again. Now what I'm going to do is turn the KVAR unit on. That's this switch here. And watch this. Watch that number drop as soon as I turn it on. It drops to 1.4 amps. Now if we come back to the motor side, because the motor actually requires 5 amps of power, you're going to see on this side, we're still at 5 amps. We're still at 5 amps on the motor side. And then we go back to the meter side, and you can see again, our power drop is down to 1.4 amps. And that's basically it. It blocks whatever power would normally go into your motor, would be given off as heat, and go on the waste. Now it's sending it back to the power company, so you're not using it.